Mema akwaba emfa umbraga nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Say can Japan na chita for mo se ba omi anya moden. Mo se ba omi anya moden. Madika ga cha mo say Canada Japan wotimi nya president. On say president. Ne kasa say president. Ni nimu de etimi nya president. Ne nante akra nya president. Ni padua say president. Oti ase edi Kennedy na nkasa kra kwose Michael ho me ye from Kennedy mo de comment section obia onim Kennedy bi no mo meka ni suban na brabo edi Kennedy de to so a mimi say yasuo ma pem oba mi kro me nsuo na da na pem ne ono no o ya kwala ne dwale wa no aye from eno na jeme enu mponi oti ase Kennedy Japan no ne hu bibia ni ho betime president. Eti munya Dr. Mahmoud Baumia papa bi no nwe ne ho. Baumia gold, Baumia obrenya, ya brenya. Ye de kufu adu aso de Baumia breyen. Oti ase ye ka crack brain na fa bu manya. Enye bi ni kan Japan wo. Because ikape enye adwen ne de pe. Na last because say kwakuma ne kura nya sika. Enye adwen ne de pe. Oti ase nyame na de che. Because o say kwa me despite tama auto niema obush ka set ni ade no omye na form yansa na nam onu nko na survive ye chese ya dom eti munya ise kene Japan ye dede etuetu ya so many pen home no na untimi nya president on fata president what you say unante left say president ba president jinawa obi nkan to say we of fata president what you say ohwe Baumia na dwene ni nyansa me say me ade ba ko ekumi won ho kura mpo ye say first you ko banka moto foi akronfo ti ni moto betetew na ya yire wo ni aji usika ene me ko adwumi ne tua me ka me ko tra bank o mi ame for to my account im say pase me yiska me ko salayo na ma say ye fi my account number me phone so no me yes and bottom when your friends are doing I dibu man or no kasa ka cho so no president no be dia or be ko 2 times pe and am pam no because you be ya no obi obe president or hwesu or hwe obet or hwe osin or hwe wani wa long sleeve as no my post obi obe president or organize concert na patapa be bonyo me asa we be your president. My friend, Munya Baumia MPP go Munya life my number 3. Delegate for Yasramo. Mon go to my Baumia papa bi.
Sha e wo sunsumu no. Ma hu se enkophobia ko Mali. Eye Mali. Ano makofa malams. Fo abagana. Se omombe ya nyomantia Dr. Baumia. I'm telling you, I saw it. Me hu se enkofo ye nyomantia Dr. Baumia. Me sorry yana me ye video yi. Me sorry yana me ba me manager wa ye video he. Se ba wo mi amom paye. Na ba wo mi amfane na nsi fom a ye be gi ade ne dia. Ma shankom no, me ma shankom no. But the doctor amfane na ye nsi fom a. Doctor is born to become a president. Ba wo mi a nyame de ne ba asase so me ye president. But the doctor am sorry a me hu se nkofo ye nwomati ya no. Nkofo ye nwomati ya no. Ba de nyame aka no. Na no wana waka. Bawumia is winning this primaries hands down. I am the first prophet I'm share come before 31st I'm for Kabie. Now after Bawumia becomes the flag bearer, no, say Oyan the new year. I am not talking about your big count. After Bawumia wins the primaries, no, if he's able to so or to turn your year, Bawumia will become the president of the Republic of Ghana.
Now become assembly. A dear Mayor Dr. Bawumia will chrome.
In sociology, a phrase be transfer of aggression. Transfer of aggression is simple. Say me no beku na me hwe na wa ho odin no eso a echemia metimi ede manibere akosue obi a asem ne kura mfa ne ho na meni nipa no ako. At the end of the day, it is to give me my assent to say me so maybe ti obi na se afia so asnega atenase aka asem bi a eye we ya Dr. Baumia de fa no ho ben. Don't you know, say, as a pastor said, a threat. You are threatening Dr. Baumia. It's a threat, baby. Wo hokra and kibet me up a kill. Who threaten Obi Awabedi vice president for 8 years? Who threaten Obi Awabedi vice president? Who the fa sans and seminar mo can find on to chain. You are threatening the immediate past vice president of the Republic of Ghana on live television. One is saying amen. One is saying amen. Obi etimi ye the ope o threatening the immediate vice president. I'm say Dr. Baumiano mummunwa say I say mummu papa noa ma cheze as onyobia. But who share the history of Ghana? You vice president are very visible, we are very articulate. Na ne juma wa ye no. It is for everybody to see. And even on the strength of his own account, Dr. Baumia pen oko campaign na wadi vice president yetimi yi nanado Akufo-Addo achievement etu baby. Ni esi Dr. Baumia we na Dr. Baumia ye interbank interoperability. Yeah, sende last na me pese me send this ike koma obi through another bank. Me dem me feel say me ko yi sika no na me yi sika no ana me de akọ other bank no ma ko say ti me catch o ma say ana uni Ghana ha na sika ni yesen me transfer from my account ada me bo sika ni kire no within 5 minutes na ya transfer within 5 minutes kana ko charge almost give me 10 cedis. So more than 10,000. And I'm almost 50,000. Charge almost give me 10 Ghana cedis. Sa ne oil for a year reserve ni no man ne de mama beto na mu create said there is innovation no. Sa no ma we ye no ma Dr. Baumia owns. And no only the first time or all election na you bet me say or vice president. At a most year, what is it? Rollins vice president. But all coalitions, yentimi and kase sing. Adi we na papa we de buy into onenso into ye kotuamano. But said Nanado Kure disassociating himself from Baumia. Men kase besi. Because o ene doba pa. Dr. Baumia can ride on his own and no ma on one kasande and saye and no ma wa champion and no ma would him and yen perfect. That is with policy and that is with our culture. But a no do why you cannot say it without mentioning his name. What is here? And a gold for reserve were more clap for our jet Sambija ye bibi why only free? Problem buy gold for oil buy there. Mudi mirika de koshe Dr. Baumia. Say amon ono na me aboka. But the same IMF no can say you gold for reserve and ya maboka 240 million there. No there. Mo say IMF there muntie no bi. Muntie no na mo pay extension no. Muntie IMF bi and na mo pay extension. And I'm gusu subject mo document mo say omo evaluating na sika aka omo fama mo and I just the money. How will a pastor attack the immediate vice president no biate ho na state institution ti ho police in men country because only power and if na side we be see because Dr. Baumia Nankasano, internally, they don't respect him. They don't respect him. When someone says, Alex said, and okay, can't Baumia. Forgetting, say, in MPP mono, would you need the facts of a candidature? See a pobia a bemu experience, yes, you need per minua, ye amanako represent party, ye need per minua, what a bemu experience here. The highest level na nanado eco pension Baumia. Now etimi anyobi he is threatening the immediate vice president. It's a threat. So wo dia na obetimi dia ye no. Dia na obetimi aye na matro bi me say efie bia hia beware of dogs. Onipa no matter so we sofu so we no matter your good intention, you need beware of dogs in your life. You need beware of dogs. You need beware of dog characters in your life. What do I say? Because there are so many praise in Crawford Biwa. Womu ye pray, you can't pray. I'm one or more real Crawford more. Woman pine say, oh, media, memoir, game, Pamua, Kumapa, will be yummy. I mean, you need be saying, they will pray on your goodwill, they will pray on your peace mindedness. And to their papa, it is very, very sad. Say, well, yeah, dear, we our live television, so no be anka. Sad woman win an air coswa, a kufuado amma or chance here, and into one the time, papa no. Sad woman win. Yan ye do all you go, papa, shouldn't ye bet me a candy ye pay, ye bet me a dear pay. And none a kufuado amma or chance, so be anya do pay. Now we hear the name Maracofa, George Dampa Rebbe 2 years. We are the name Marano Edu, the way of mine cry a betchuno. And no time did it be a yenya time with the papayatem. We build a country with values. And your religion, we build a country with values. Ain't it, man of God? You overstretch. When you fear so as nigga with issue. I first your nigga issues now on the one. And your baumia new. If you ask a nigga, JC can't wash a moon. So this transfer of aggression strategy now obey no na emwa. We ye be ma no be pimo boa court direct. And fan kobo phobe if you don't transfer the aggression to somebody else say or no the or passion and now only the own to me mba attack kill. Don't transfer because MPP for no mabo mani abre. O mani abre. So wo monitor TikTok wa. MPP for no wo mani abre. Say omo makwan mo bi amfa Dr. Baumia ene mu nya form. And you better revise your note. He is the last person. Dr. Baumia is the last person you want to attack now. Me na make a chiro. In someone Martin and no man who TikTok no. So often say if you as nigga will form chain but Dr. Baumia dia and now why that and you calculated it wrong a be foul. So what try so be attack Baumia?
Yes. Aha. Ya kwaji bibi kakra ye beka so bi. But the prophecy I make ho asem no. And the prophecy of chaos. The prophecy of a friend saying enipa bewu during the MPP primaries no. And no one na making. And even before the Christmas no, na sa prophecy na di kaba. And the sign e repeating home. In fact, most of the pastors are meti say omo prophesy about MPP no, prophesy about primaries no. E can say MPP for anhwi ya. E down beto about 31st no. Emoja be hwiegu. It should be of concern to NPP for especially the election management team and election committee no as I say a year of concern to them. And bibi besi nyina no munim baby also munim baby ebe fraba. Look, Dr. Baumia threatened that said this election bibi abc because obi anim say enya character no. Menti se kwabere Japan atwetin se election way do or die nipa bewu se ma anye se ya. Menti se Dr. Brian Champon aka in fact Dr. Brian Champon podie waka se wo ko election na ma wa create sama bi na hunahuna wa ena ya godon friend Boogeyman no wa create Boogeyman bi se ba bi na wo di hunahuna nkrofo na ehunahuna wa mu a ese party ni careful of such Boogeymen in the party because me can we were cases about na can Japan there we can clearly say election day no and then the besi no be so ko wi abamu na enti and there so to trust them bad they should talk to him. And I'm also calling on Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Ejita for say they shouldn't take this election for granted. They shouldn't take this election on a silver platter. They shouldn't take election say police for Beho. Yes, indeed, policemen no more Ablukumanov. In fact, they were there in their numbers by a boy MPP Ejita for power. ye boha kum sintiatia na yase na police fo gina ho. In fact, the police people, some of them no mukita camera no mucha. Na be patanto kwa police for yes. In fact, in the 2024 election, NDC police headquarters ewo Techiman South divisional headquarters enya district to divisional headquarters ewo Techiman South ehon na collation center NDC for ko ho ekobu nipa SS police station nyina police for ntimi anya obi ahwe. So Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne team no sa threat na efi honorable kan Japan camp na ba bibi besi na obodo pa obi pa on try ye besi wo ho no election day ni ayi no, they shouldn't take it for granted. Because man hwe yi a emoja nso be hwe agu ampa na moja be hwe agu a moni ba bi be fi aba. Because nipa num na echo election no obi akasa ya asundwe kasa ba ko pe na all threaten party ni nyina na all threaten said there beto aba no bibi besi. So we wini a bibi besi, so obi wiam a bibi besi, so bi say a bibi besi. Enti party mpanifoɔ they should take sad a year for a judicial notice, so we a political notice, so they should take note of that. Enti and come say by nyina no na sad any.
Okay, Bushafo, and made a quick one. We mention me combine 2 videos a boom. Ya papa was a kwame despite in a Same Jamfi. Same Jamfi, my main case mention quick one. Me catch on be video maybe say, oh, NPP be bapa one over them. But for performance within 9 months now, 1 year, I may won't say, what chem or a Jamestown prison. What they in someone cry what chem was. I mean, in 9 months, wait me a decan of $214 million. Ya can't when you're no person ya o can be. Same $214 million US. I can't about to good board. Same Jenfi 9 months, 1 year pay my. That's $1 now the ma agrada in a big one. Dollars now the good come on man now watch it. It within short time no $214 million what they are saying. Same. What can we Ghana for? $214 million. That's why you have to say the idea over them. Yes, I did next year and other years now. Can you want to pay crab fast or better converse scannership? The other my girlfriends, I don't to iPhone, man, and I didn't. But says can buy $214 million an audio. Now, good board budget cry, they got 2 home. I think it was around $270 million. Says you cannot buy them out. What Bomuka $214 million? The next is can't buy the money. What didn't I say? No calculation about Ghana for say, and what imagine foreign exchanging, but Ghana for Hormone Tiasia. The woman Nana say $270 million in the man. No tono a cotton. It's equaneba, so fellow catan, aqua crack, no about Kumasi, aqua crack, no about Kumasi, aqua crack, no about Kumasi, now top petrogum, now Ukoba. At the end of the year, and a car in a year, you must say, was my book at $240 million. It's petrol do our toy, and it's at $3 billion no can once. But in fast one year, $214 million car and a boy. This is a car, other mass, I mean, if it's 1 year, car auto fuel $3 billion. And all year, Juma Boka $214 million. Very simple explanation. It's a Ghana for, so I must say, I need 2 years more answer. Manuel Siwaha. I feel papa despite. Or say, Kwame despite. Respect to be brave. Many are just saying, "Oh, about Bekasai." Now, me who say, "Sabu ukita kumapa." Now, a man I attack you when I would dim the capa pontino. O man, but attack you keku. Who's a multimedia ho? Angela from ho. Radio stations be Ghana. I didn't know despite him calling by attack you. Because in Crophobia, wa employer a good despite media ho. Asamu ba. So the music san obaka say omu obi okasa chiro mo adwuma mu e me be na me fia so say ga be di watem poto because akwa ba kuya no wato ani tika kaka so agye adwuma yi akwase boaje ensem bi okeka fa fia so na ga ho e ma obedidi watem because when so obedi watem dia obete the same thing and akwase boaje kuro ya any kwabnamafo kwame nkumati kese MCI ye boa mo. Kwame tima kike say timi tra o ka say papa shi abodam. o asem we ya ho papa hye ye podamfo the same radio station ya so kwabramafo kotena so no kama me akosua se wa ho asem poto na wana o yare on tena ho na ho na befa kasa mami ho poto MCI aboa any Samo United Showbiz one day obaka se chese wona wa small mo se mo beka se wo adobroni mami se wa ho fi